Hi, I'm Matt Powell, and I am a traumatic birth injury medical malpractice attorney. I'm board certified by the Florida Bar as a civil trial specialist. We all know that the birth of a child is normally a joyous occasion for a family, but sometimes a hospital or other healthcare provider makes a grievous error that causes a serious and permanent birth injury to the child or mother. When this happens, the joyous occasion suddenly turns into a tragedy with lifelong consequences affecting your entire family. The birth injuries I'm discussing are physical injuries that occur shortly before, during, or after childbirth. I'm talking about cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is not a disease or a genetic condition. It is a physical cutting off of oxygen supply to a baby's brain. The injuries to a child can range from mild to severe. It is estimated that 6 in every 1,000 births involve some sort of birth injury. These common and preventable birth injuries to the baby include hypoxia, which is a cutting off of oxygen to the baby's brain by a restriction of blood flowing through the umbilical cord, and asphyxia is a lack of oxygen caused by the baby not being able to breathe after the birth. When the oxygen is restricted or cut off from the baby by either method for a long enough period of time, even 4 minutes, the baby's brain cells begin to die. Other traumatic birth injuries may include Erb's palsy, shoulder dystocia, brachial plexus injury, facial nerve injury, skull fractures, spinal cord injuries, meconium aspiration syndrome, cephalohematoma, hemorrhages, and kernicterus. Mothers may also suffer preventable injuries during labor and delivery or even aftercare due to an error made by a healthcare professional, and these include perineal tears, foraminal nerve dysfunction, and uterine prolapse. The damages caused by medical malpractice in birth injury cases are forever damages, and these include neurological impairments, paralysis, disfigurement, disabilities, and even death. When a baby suffers a severe preventable birth injury, the emotional and financial toll that this takes on the new parents is staggering. Rather than celebrating the arrival of a healthy new baby, the parents are faced with the challenges of adequately caring for a severely disabled child who requires a lifetime of costly medical care and treatments and financial and emotional support. If you believe your child has suffered a preventable birth injury due to an error by a healthcare professional, we are here to help. At MatLaw, we have the knowledge, resources, and experience to investigate your birth injury medical malpractice case. We can find the right experts, and we will file suit and take your case to trial if the defendants will not pay fair compensation. We understand the challenges that you and your family are facing during these difficult times, and we're here to help. We will guide you through this complicated process, both as advocates and as fellow human beings. If your child has been diagnosed with cerebral palsy, don't wait another day. Or if you suspect that your child has cerebral palsy, please contact me for a free, confidential consultation. If we can help, we will take your case on a contingency fee basis, which means we don't charge you any upfront fees or costs. We only get paid if we make a recovery for you and or your child. So don't delay. Birth injury medical malpractice cases are among the most difficult and complicated cases, and every day you wait may prevent us from being able to help you. So call us today.